Getting rid of vertigo and dizziness can help you feel more balanced and comfortable. So here are some steps that you can follow. Now, first, identify triggers. Certain movements or positions can make vertigo worse. Try to avoid quick head movements and focus on staying still when you feel dizzy. Next, consider doing specific exercises. One of them is called the Epley maneuver. It's a common technique for some types of vertigo. I'll leave the word in the description so you can look it up and do it. It involves moving your head in certain positions to help realign your inner ear crystals. You can find videos online that guide you through the steps, all right? Now, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is a must. Dehydration can make dizziness worse, so aim for at least 8 glasses a day of water. Eating regular meals can also help. Low blood sugar can contribute to the dizziness, so try not to skip meals and include healthy snacks. Now, if your dizziness is severe or doesn't improve, it's important to see a doctor. They can determine the cause and suggest treatments like medicine or therapy. Finally, practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing. Check out this guy Wim Hof, all right? And pray to God. That helps me a lot. Reducing stress can help ease symptoms of vertigo, and with care and patience, you can manage dizziness more effectively. Hope this helps.